In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Zoho Books to edit an invoice. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, we'll kick things off by heading over to the Zoho Books website. Zoho Books is a popular tool for managing your business finances, and it's packed with features that can streamline your accounting processes. Once you've arrived on the Zoho Books homepage, look for the Sales section in the menu. This is where you'll find all your sales-related documentation, such as invoices, estimates, and more. Click on Sales, and you'll see a drop-down list. From here, select Invoices. This will take you to a detailed list of all your invoices, organized in a way that's easy to navigate. If you have a large number of invoices, feel free to use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific invoice you need to edit. Once you've found the invoice you're looking for, hover over it with your mouse. As you do this, you'll notice several interactive options appearing on the right side of the invoice line. These options are designed to give you quick access to various actions, and they're incredibly handy when you need to manage your invoices efficiently. Among these options, there will be a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and you'll see the Edit choice. Go ahead and select Edit. Now you'll be taken into the editable view of the invoice. Here, you can modify any details you need to change, such as the payment terms, the invoice date, or the items and their quantities listed on the invoice. Pay close attention to the details you edit to ensure that everything aligns with your sales records and customer agreements. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your updates. You can typically find the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Properly saving your work ensures that all changes are recorded and your invoice is up to date. After saving your changes, you'll be brought back to the list of invoices. This ensures that you can continue managing your other invoices without losing your workflow or having to start over. Remember, keeping your invoices updated and accurate not only helps in maintaining good financial records, but also plays a critical role in ensuring effective communication with your clients. Mistakes in invoices can lead to misunderstandings and delays in payments, so it's always worth taking the time to double-check your edits. And there you have it. Editing invoices in Zoho Books is straightforward once you know where to look. Whether you're updating an invoice for the correct date or correcting an item's description, Zoho Books provides the flexibility you need to manage your business efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more practical guides and tips. See you in the next video.